dito sa ating mga pagdinig. So, balikan po natin si Ms. Teresita at Ging, mga patuloy po na follow-up questions ko sa inyong testimonya kanina. So, bakit po rin po dun sa testimonyang binasa nyo kanina, anong taon nga po kayo sinimulang abusuhin ayon sa inyong testimony at alaala?
It was in October of 1993.
October of 1993. So, 31 years ago po.
Yes po.
Alright. Tapos, ulitin ko lang po yung nabalitaan kong fasting o dry fast. So, hindi kayo pinakain, hindi kayo pinainom ng tubig. Ilang araw nga po ba ginawa ito sa inyo? At wala po bang kasamahan ninyo doon na sinubukang tulungan kayo?
Of course, nobody would ever dare help me because upon instruction na hindi na ako and they did not even allow, they were not even allowed to talk to me, nor even to come near to me. So, actually, there were 2 sets of fasting given to me. One set was, there was 10 days fasting. There was no food, no water. It was Ninette Ukyas who gave me that list of instruction. And number 1 on the list is to do dry fast for the straight 10 days.
Sino po nagbigay ng instruction?
Ninette Ukyas.
Ninette Ukyas?
Yeah.
Okay po.
And then, I only was able to eat a little amount of rice and viand on the 39th day because when you had fasted, hindi na kailangan kakain agad. So, there was water, then then lugaw, and then finally on the 39th day, that was the time I was able to eat rice. And then after that, there was that second round of fasting, which was even more miserable. It started on February 6, 1999, and there were other workers also. Now that was very miserable because it was like this. We were given 5 days, or sometimes 7 days. It was a kind of a series of fasting. The first, second, third days were for dry fasting, meaning you were not allowed to drink, of course, to eat food, dry foods. And on the fourth, sometimes it's water, sometimes it's sometimes it's lugaw. Then another 5 days, the same pattern. Sometimes it became 7. It ended on the month of May because I have my diary of that.
So yung pangalawang dry fasting, 3 buwan, na may iba't ibang klaseng fasting for 5 days or 7 days, 1 to 3 days na dry fasting, on the 4th day may tubig, o yung aming pinakuluan ng sinaing, di ba? Yung pinapainom ng mga lolo't lola natin sa mga baby ng panahon ng World War II.
Sabaw ng ano po?
Sabaw ng lugaw. Or lugaw. So over 3 months, may ganitong series ng mga iba't ibang klase ng dry fasting.
Yes po. But I was together with other workers also because they were also punished. I was the longest. I stayed there for the longest 3 months.
And yung una kong dry fast, yung unang set ng pagpapadry fast sa inyo na 10 araw, walang pagkain, walang tubig. 10 araw na walang tubig at 10 araw na walang pagkain?
Yes po, that's true.
Paano niyo po na-survive yun?
I did not even think I would survive. Because of course, the place was cold. And then every time in the morning when I took a bath, so parang doon ko na lang nalalasak yung tubig. Kaya I keep taking a bath 3 times a day.
Iniinom nyo na lang yung
halos
tubig pampaligo.
Natatakot ka naman baka masira yung tiyan mo. Parang ganun lang.
And after 39 days, ganun ulit. Pinainom muna kayo ng tubig, ng then pinakain ng lugaw, and finally, kanin.
Yes, on the 39th day. But there was a month, I think it was month of December, may kinain na rin ako doon. Kaya lang, again, maybe they were not satisfied. So maybe they wanted me to really slowly kill me. So again, I had another series of fasting that was, as what I have said, it started on February 6. and ended on the month of May.
During those 2 times po, yung dalawang set ng dry fasting, yung unang 10 araw at yung pangalawang umabot ng 3 buwan, nakakulong kayo noon or were you restrained in any way?
No, I was just there in the mountain, in the prayer mountain, not really kulong, but the place is big naman.